Hello everyone, it's been a long time. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this white acrylic case for your Raspberry Pi. And very beginning you will see this panel for the Raspberry Pi. It's a shield for Raspberry Pi and it can protect the Raspberry Pi's back. Alright, and all you need to do is hook up this. It fixed your Raspberry Pi on the panel like this. Watch this blank. It must be on your right side. Alright, don't mix up, it's not fit for. You will fix the Raspberry Pi like this. Alright, there are three screws, 3 nuts, and 3 washers. Let's put the washer on this, and then use a screw. Fix your Raspberry Pi like this. Okay, next washer, next screws. The last one. Also, you can use a screwdriver to fix them properly. But in this video, I just fix it like use my hand. Alright. Okay. Put your screen against the GPIO like this. You can see that. Alright. Finally, put the HDMI converter to lock it like this. You will heard about a click, so it sit tight. All right. The final step is put your screen to your shield. And make sure the USB and Ethernet cable is fit properly. Alright, it's done. And you can hook up the micro USB cable for the power, and this 3.5 jack for your headphone. Alright, let's hook up the cable. Okay, it's perfect for your project. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.